A warrant of arrest has been issued against former Congressman Zaldi Co and 17 others from the DPWH and SunWest Corporation. This was announced by President Marcos in a video message. Co and the other individuals have been linked to the alleged anomalous flood control projects.
At ang susunod na hakbang, ay wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, ang ating mga otoridad ay siyempre papatupad na nila itong mga arrest warrant na ito. Aarestuhin na sila, ihaharap sa korte at pananagutin sa batas. Walang special na pagtrato, walang sinasanto.